Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kaming batiin po kayo ni G ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready nang matulog. At syempre sa mga matutulog na po, okay lang po. Pero pag may time po kayo, hingin ko muna ang inyong 12 minutes para sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Ngayon po ay third day ng ating topic which is the top 10 benefits of being happy. Ngayon po, ready na ba kayo na i-continue po ang ating lecture? But before that, I would like to ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. Alright, so what are the top 10 benefits? Na-discuss na po natin ang tatlo kahapon. And this is the third day, of course. So, importante ang magiging happy, di ba mga masters? It's very, very important to be happy because it has a lot of benefits. And the reason why this is my topic because most of the population now are having a lot of problems and stress. The world is very stressful, especially in this generation. So I think it's really, really important that uh, we need to be aware of what happiness can bring to our health. Right? So let's proceed po sa number 4. The number 4th na benefit ng ating being healthy is of course ay number 1 pala na na-discuss po natin last time. Naka-discuss po natin na number 1 is happiness leads to better physical health. Number 2 is happiness boosts the immune system. Diba? It can help the immune system. Number 3 is happiness promotes healthier lifestyle. And let's proceed po dito sa number 4, which is happiness helps you feel less pain. Right, it is right. Happiness helps you feel less pain. Happiness doesn't only just make you healthier, it can also help you feel less pain. That's very, very true. There's a 2012 study which explored the association between positive emotions and knee pain in over 1,000 patients. So they have 1,000 patients that has knee pain, sakit sa tuhod, okay, and having arthritis. So they have 1,000 patients experiencing arthritis. The study found that respondents who reported being happier walked an extra 711 or 8.5% more steps daily. Those people, those patients, or those subjects that were happy did more. They walked. Lumakad po sila ng extra 711 steps averagely, okay, than those who were not. Okay? In another study of almost 500 people with chronic pain, yung chronic pain which means matagal na po nila iniindang na sakit. It means it's a long time pain. Okay? Happier people reported lower pain levels and were less likely to say that their pain interfered with their lives. So those who are happier, those who have a positive, optimistic approach, were not complaining about the pain or the interference of pain in their lives. Hindi sila nagrereklamo. Okay? Happiness also boosts endorphins, okay, which are natural painkillers. So ito po, I just want to share it that our body has our own natural painkillers called endorphins, and they're produced by the brain. And of course, it's not just by the brain, but it's also produced from, of course, kung anong kinakain mo, okay, whatever you introduce to yourself in the form of nutrition or food, those are the materials that will be used to process whatever our body needs. So endorphin is one of the brain chemicals that is produced for pain. But if you don't eat properly or if you don't uh, give your body the right materials, of course, your body cannot produce that. Okay, but people that are happy, of course, people that are happy produce more endorphin, have more endorphins because they're happy, and there's a connection with that. Okay, so it boosts the production of endorphins. So if you're in pain, focus on the positive and find things that will make you happy. Okay, just make sure that you know what makes you happy. Find your own happiness, and in case you are in pain, or if you have a problem, try to figure out what made you smile, or what made you um, have or what made you happy before, or what can change your mood. Okay, so happiness may also help reduce your pain and improve your quality of life. Okay, number five. Let's proceed to number five. Happiness may protect against dementia. Okay, dementia is a decline in cognitive function, leading to memory loss and other problems. It is a very serious health concern, especially for older adults. Okay, so ang dementia po ay very serious yan kasi magsisimula ka na po maging makalimutin. Kahit yung personal na mga daily activities mo po ay hindi mo na alam. Kahit mag-toothbrush or kahit na gamitin lang yung tsinelas mo kung minsan hindi mo na alam kung paano gamitin po yan. Very, very alarming na po yan. Okay? There's a 2021 study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that the odds of cognitive impairment were higher for those with elevated depressive symptoms in early or late adulthood. Sa mga palaging depressed po, ay palagi or mas madali po sila magkaroon ng problema sa cognition or sa kanilang memory. Okay? So, the researchers hypothesized that excessive stress or excess stress hormones damage the brain's hypo campus, reducing the ability to make new memories. Ayun, pag stress pala tayo mga masters and mga ka-G, mahirap pala yun kasi yung mga memory natin wala ng space. Parang ano din po siya, parang memory card din po ng cellphone natin. So kung palagi po tayong puno dahil stress tayo sa ating mga ginagawa, ang nangyayari pala mga masters is ay napupuno ang memory natin, hindi tayo makakapag wala nang lugar to make more memories. So mahirap po 'yan, limited na ang ating memory pag ganyan. People with worse depression suffer from poorer cognition and faster decline. Pag depressed ka, mas mabilis po bumaba yung iyong well-being, of course, decline, bababa talaga. Okay? So, if you want to keep your mind sharp at your age, as you age, ensure you are happy. It may help keep dementia at bay. So, ito po, para po ang sikreto po dito, para po gusto nating maging healthier as we age, kailangan pa talaga nating maging happy, mga masters and mga ka-G. Ensure that you are happy. Okay? And number 6, let's proceed to the number 6 po natin. Happiness helps you live longer. Okay? So happiness isn't an elixir. Hindi lang po ito gamot of immortality. Hindi po ito gamot or secret para sa immortality. But you live longer if you lead a happier life. Okay? Mas matagal po tayo mabuhay pag tayo po ay happy. Di ba? Are you guys getting a lot from this topic? I hope you guys are enjoying the topic, okay? But please don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe here. And of course, thank you for those who are staying here. Okay? Considering the many health benefits of being happy, your life expectancy should increase if you live happy life. Mataas po yung life expectancy natin. There's plenty of emerging research to support this as well. Marami po silang mga researches na magsusupport dito. Okay? The most interesting study of the impact of happiness on life expectancy involved the diaries of 180 nuns, mga madre, born before 1917. Okay? The study revealed that the nuns who experience more positive emotions in their 20s tend to live longer. The happiest nuns live for an average 7 years. Sorry, they live 7 years more than the least happy nuns. So mas 7 years pa silang nabuhay compared sa mga hindi happy na mga madre. By the age of 85, only 34% of the unhappiest nuns were alive compared to the 90% of the happiest nuns. Isn't that incredible? O, di ba? Grabe no, may connection talaga. Pag happy po sila when they were in their 20s before they became nuns. Okay? So it has an impact. So it's not just that whatever you're doing right now. It's also from the past or what you did before that accumulates until your body manifests the symptoms. Okay? So a recent study showed that the happier people were 35% less likely to die than their unhappier counterparts over the subsequent 5 years. So you want to live longer? Do what it makes to be happy. Yun po, maging happy lang po tayo mga masters. Dito lang po na tayo sa number 6. Proceed tayo bukas sa number 7. Anyways, I would like to thank each and everyone to those who joined me yesterday on our 121st Bahay Kulitan Premier Marathon, and of course sa Team Bahay Kulitan, and of course sa lahat po ng mga teams na support. Maraming salamat. Love you all. And this is G, the green girly Kiripatuti Iguana, and your one and only Master Worm. Ayun, keep supporting each and every one. Thank you so much, and hope to see you again with your next vlogs and next contents. God is great. Yahoo!